Bro. The kid. $48. 42, 48, 250. Bro, you can't keep bidding, bro.
No, I'm not going past 50, bro. 50 is gonna be OD.
Oh, last minute. Last second, bro. Got it. Wow. 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 I see it.
Okay, so
Frozen white. G80.
Yeah, okay.
G80 M3, bro.
I don't think we've done anything
Oh my god.
of that new just yet, so I don't think I'll have any of those airbags.
Steering wheel.
We do buy cars every week, so it's something I potentially can
Curtain.
use,
God
but
damn,
I
every
just
single
don't
airbag
have
is
it
out.
right now.
I see.
Okay, no worries. What about the, you got any suspension parts for
Top.
the G80?
It's gonna be a quick rebuild. Maybe like a week. This car could be done in a week with all the parts here.
Let me see if
So
I have
yeah, gonna come in.
both of those.
We're gonna pick it up. We're gonna show y'all around
Need the right
everything.
side,
So
right side lid.
make sure y'all tune in.
What's up, y'all? I ain't gonna lie. I'm having a bad day today. So,
what's going on, bro? What happened?
for
What's
one,
going
I
on?
bought the car from Copart, and the car was advertised as run and drive. So obviously, if a car is running and driving, it has to have a key for it to run and drive. So the transporter get there, he talking about no key. So I'm like, all right, you got to swing back. Because I called the office. The office was like, oh, we usually leave like the higher end cars, the keys in the office. So old head swung back, and they told me they can't find the key. So I'm like, all right, boom, you're already wasting time. All right, bring the car back to the shop. So I called the office. I actually emailed the manager. I sent them a real long, real spicy email. I'm like, yo, bro, I spent all this cheese on this wheel, and this joint ain't got no key. And he was like, oh, we usually don't guarantee keys. In this case, you know, we're gonna replace the key for you because, you know, it's a high end, you know, you spent some cheese. So I'm like, all right, you say you're gonna give me 800. So cool. That's part one of the stress. So part two, I went through a broker to get the car picked up because the car wasn't like, it was in Chirac. And I'm talking to the transporter or the dispatcher. He was like, yeah, your driver be here between like 12 and 2. First of all, that's a big like time frame. It's either 12 or 1,
yeah.
But 12 and 2, that's 2 hours. That's too much of a big gap. So 3 o'clock hit, I'm like, yo, where the driver at? No text back. So he finally texts me like, oh, driver 10 minutes away. I'm like, all right, bet. So we drive up there, we bring the flatbed, I call my man with the forklift, everybody ready. So we there, we waiting. 10 minutes go by, I'm like, yo, where the driver at?
Yeah, they be on it. They always do that.
He's like, oh, he said something like 2 minutes or something. I'm like, all right. And he was like, oh, you know, my bad. He's actually 2 hours away. I'm like, 2 hours, bro? How you go from 2 minutes to 2 hours to like now you just playing with my emotions right now. So we peeled. I sent the flatbed driver home. My man with the forklift, he had the pill. So I want to go do something else. Long story short, I want to go do something else. So they call. My man at the shop called me like, yo, bro, the M3 just showed up. What you mean the Jones just showed up? Oh, he just said it's 2 hours away. Now you talking about old head here. So it's just a bunch of like running around with these Russian old heads, and I don't know if he's Russian or
It's
Ukrainian.
always them though. It be the Russian, Ukrainian bulls. It be all.
They throwing me off. So now we about to pull up there. The car, we can't even drive the car off the bed. I mean, off the trailer. I think he in the trailer, but we can't drive that joint off because there ain't no key. I'm calling BMW. BMW not answering. Like, it's too much going on. Now we gotta drag the car off the joint. Then we gotta shake it off the bed. And then I know BMW gonna want this and that and this just to make a key for it. Yeah, all this like unnecessary stuff for no reason. So stay tuned. This is gonna be the fastest rebuild. We gonna this a real like it's a 25-day turnaround.
Bro, it's less than it's a week.
A week.
If you got all the perks, it's a week turnaround.
A week. Y'all gonna see that, John. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe.
Here it is, y'all. Here it is. That's like, well, that's a frozen white. It's a matte white.
Matte white.
Yeah, matte white.
factory too. It's not a wreck. It's here though. I see it. Comp
Here,
wheels.
look.
It's under.
Oh, exhaust. A full exhaust, bro. But not full weight.
Full thing. That's it. Probably mid pipe and a down pipe. Yeah, bro did the work to this joint too.
Look, PPF on it.
You do?
It might not be matte, bro. It might just have.
Nah, bro, it's matte.
I PPF'd it.
Yeah, it's a matte frozen white.
What's going on, yo? They said the transporter bull parked up. This nigga pill.
Cause we pulled up and it was nobody there. Like,
yeah, now nobody know where he at. Like,
he just did. He probably went to the store though. The store right there.
They not getting the other half. They burnt. Take that joint right off and pilling.
Yeah, what is the address you stay right now? What is the address?
What you mean, what's the address? I'm at the address where I told you guys to come to. You asked me, what's the address? I'm right here. I'm in front of the car. Where's the driver at?
What is the address you stay right now?
Bro, y'all making me mad today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm right in front of the truck.
0 East Lamstead Avenue, right?
I'm standing right in front of the truck. That's what I'm telling you. I'm right in front of the truck. You keep asking me where I'm at. I'm right in front of the truck.
The truck with your car?
Bro, he can't be serious. Look at him. Steering wheel holding. Pop, what? Walaikum salam. What happened? Why you getting lunch? It's Ramadan.
Yeah. I'm not Ramadan.
What?
No.
What?
Working? Yeah, work, right?
Huh?
Yeah, work, right?
No, not work.
You're not fasting today?
Oh, you sick?
Understand?
Oh, no. You got shit bag? I don't know what that means.
Sugar, diabetes.
Diabetes.
Huh?
Diabetes?
Yeah.
Pop. Move all the way up. Yeah. So you're gonna move up. I'm gonna back with my truck and pull it off. No. I'm gonna back up, lift it, and pull it off.
A forklift, yes?
No. Truck. Because forklift, they close. So you move up, you bring the ramps, I'm gonna back up, and then the flatbed gonna take it.
Tire problem.
Yeah, I know, no problem. Just move up. I'm gonna take care, I'm gonna do everything. You just watch, okay? This car drive, no?
Huh?
This drive?
This time?
Okay. I'm gonna move my truck, and then you move up. You move up. You don't understand?
My truck?
No, your truck, move up, drive up
Drive
to the
up.
corner, and then stop. And then I'm gonna do everything.
Okay.
E-brake on? It's working. Y'all see it. Anxiety attack. Think you could do it?
I'm up.
No, get it off her. I don't know, Chad.
It's hung, nigga.
I don't know, Chad. Oh! Hold on.
Just a moment.
Just a moment.
You need it for the other side too.
He got something there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a moment.
This is so ghetto, but it's working though. Yeah, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, yo. Using the spare jack.
Where's the normal? This, and the
Oh,
and then
Hold on, wait. Right here. Yeah, good.
there you go.
gotta move that.
No, you good, you good, you good. Yeah, there you go. Take it off. Here it is. It's up, it's up. Now you just got. Pull it off, pull it off.
Professional. You know why we doing all this? Just because Copart lost the kid.
Yeah.
If y'all seen this Copart Chicago, it's for y'all.
Why are you so hot?
Bro,
Why are you so hot?
Why you so hot? Put some respect on my name, cuz.
Why you let him do this? This ain't
you
good.
don't speak English? You don't speak it, bro. Like, a little bit, but not too much, bro. Struggling.
Short people problems.
Come on, turkey. Nigga, it's about to fall. It's about to slide off the bed. Off the trailer, bro.
Hold on.
Wait. Wait.
Just swing over. I'll come like that.
Yeah, if you gotta come back, it's gonna come straight this way. If not, it's
Alright, knock this wood up. The wood come out?
Whoa, hold up.
Oh.
No.
Bro.
Okay?
Oh, you some wood? Pause.
Oh, that's it, bro.
Yeah. See that?
I see
Gonna
that.
follow the trailer on the other side. You talking about here?
All right, we got one
You
off.
can drag it. Now you can come up some.
Yeah, move up. Wait,
Nah, he can come up.
you still hooked?
He can come straight up, cause if it do slide, he can make some progress at least.
It's still hooked up on the other side?
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, slow. Yeah.
Alright,
A little bit more.
come on.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Alright.
Woo. It's off the wood. But we're trying to get it off the wood so he could just drag it. Almost there, almost there, almost there. There we go. Off the wood. Yeah, drag it. Y'all hear that screeching? This is what happens when you don't got no key.
Slow down, lower your lip. Alright. Come down a little bit more. Alright, we out. Come on. Keep going. Put your lip up. There you go. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Keep going. up. That's the highest key. All right, come. Hold on. All right, go ahead.
Go.
Go ahead. That's the highest.
Up.
That's the highest. That's the highest. That's the highest.
Slow down.
Come on. Lower. Lower you look. Alright, good.
Took us an hour to get it all, bro. Go.
Hollywood.
Yeah.
Just for you.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
So what now?
Yo, we about to put these dollies on this joint. This joint all-wheel drive. You know about dollies? These the 5.7. These the heaviest dollies out right now. I ain't gonna cap to you. Look. Yeah, I can't know that joint up.
Instagram?
YouTube.
Where you from?
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Where you from?
Kazakhstan.
Asia.
Asian.
Are we out?
Tire off. You get right under there.
You gotta remember another car right here.
You know how you like to press the gas?
You know what I'm saying? I'm a gas demon. Yeah, right into the tailgate. Flat. I have to go stay front like, yo, somebody back into my joint.
Right now the jack is stuck, so try and get it out. Yo, he said, can you go down on the lift? On the lift. Go down. So we try and get it out right now. Told me they had to lift it up from the back so they could push it back, but it's stuck now, so. That's what they back here doing.
Dooley, he cooked.
Oh, yeah,
Tailgates. How many tailgates he went through? He went through like 3 tailgates. Bumper in the cold joint.
This joint.
This joint. Look. Hold on. We ain't finished. Hold on. Look. Cooking. Look, he's still cooking. He's still cooking.